All right, I know I got some explaining to do. We gonna get to it when we get back. We gonna get to it when we get back. All right, I know I have a lot of explaining to do. First of all, why is all this doggone makeup in this box? Why the box look the way it do? I know, y'all, it's a shame. And honestly, I'm ashamed to say that this is my makeup box. And this is kind of what I use every day. And it was more so by choice. I was just too lazy to kind of organize my makeup. And this box, once upon a time, was a nice box. It's been a long time since I've invested in getting something that's better. So with that being said, you might be wondering what today's video is about. Actually, I have a solution to this problem. I'm gonna go get the solution. So stay tuned, give me a sec. No, I done went shopping and did something. So I went ahead and I bought some makeup organizers because for someone, or as someone who does makeup, it's very difficult to pack up all of my stuff and move my stuff and put in the other stuff that I use for my clients, just to turn around and put all my stuff back so I can do my face. It's just a lot. And as someone who does my makeup a lot, it is very difficult to have to dump everything out and find it. I know everybody's seen the meme with the brushes and they're like, that's me, because I can't ever find anything. So hopefully this can help me become a little bit more organized and it'll look better too. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. First thing I want to tell you guys, I got this stuff from Target. Me and Zay just went on a late night Target run and grabbed some nice clear containers. So I'm gonna shove this aside first and then I'm gonna bring on my items that I bought. So to be honest, I bought this from Target and it wasn't too costly. They're like, what, $10 a tray? And so, I mean, honestly, me and Zay kind of just built this ourselves because we needed something that was big, because I do have a lot of makeup and it gets hard from time to time to kind of find something that works for me. And honestly, this works. Isn't it kind of cute? So this is perfect. This is going to fit all of my makeup needs and I'm ready to get started because I'm tired of looking at that. This is just ugly. Like, I am just so ashamed of myself to sit here and show y'all this. But you know what? We keep it real 100% beauty, so I ain't even finna lie. All right, child. So as you can see, I am just taking everything piece by piece and organizing it, trying to make it look as neat as possible. And it actually turned out really good from what you can see. And I just went tier by tier and just organized everything based on how I use it and how often I use it. So it's gonna turn out to look so cute. So I am so glad I could finally get rid of this box. It looks terrible. I'm embarrassed, honestly, y'all. So now that we're done with that, and I have organized everything, so I'm gonna go tier by tier, and then I'm gonna show you how I assemble it. So first layer is my lashes, you know, my everyday palette, highlight, you know, all of this stuff that basically I use for my eyes. So as you can see, everything in here, I have just about everything for my eyelids. And the next container on top of it will be all of my lipsticks, lip gloss, lip liner, you know, anything that I use for my lips will be on this specific, you know, oh, shout out to Glossy. Make sure you guys check it out. So we're gonna put Glossy in the box. All right. So now that that's my second layer and this up, I am going to move to my top layer. And I'm first going to go ahead and put on top of it, which is my concealer, my foundation, my setting spray, you know, all of that good jazz. That's gonna be here, so that way I can access it as need be. And last but definitely not least, I have all of my powders, my pomades, my lip line, or not my lip liner, I'm sorry, my eyeliner, you know, all of that good stuff, including my brushes as well. They're dirty, but you get the picture. And it's gonna slide just right on top of here. And y'all, This looks so much better than the box. I mean, come on, let's get a good look at it. It looks so much better than the box. I feel like an organized person. I feel less cluttered in my life. So all of this you can get from Target, honey, for like, let me be realistic, maybe 60 bucks. And that is way cheaper than some of these little cheap things that you be finding at Walmart and some of these beauty stores. So overall, I feel like I made a better decision to just go ahead and purchase something like this instead of keeping this piece of shit. It was totally trash, but now I have a new box. So I'm so excited y'all got to witness this. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. I love you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.